Hello. Um, this stone is really interesting. Someone called it leverite, like leave it behind, but it has this punched in part back here. And then it leads to sort of like a bird face there, but then watch this. There's that punched in tail back part, tail feathers. And then watch, and you can see tool marks coming across. Okay, sorry, that wasn't coming across like all along. Watch. To the front, bird. And it has really been carved. Like there's massive. Sorry for the traffic noise. I'm outside and I had this one sitting outside. But then there's faces too. It's that pink and quartz stone. This is totally flat. Watch how cool that is. Like that reminds me of Garuda, kind of, but then you've got like the bird face up here and it goes back to like the wing. But then there's also an awesome face here, like a running man, running with the wind. It's very delicate, his face, but he has like a turban maybe on his head. Feathers hanging down. See all that? Whoa, eh? And it's like the egg comes out the back. This person saw a shuttle and a guy coming out the back. Look at that. That looks like a shuttle. I find a lot of these shuttle stones here. And then this guy running, like, and he has the whole, like, zooming face, sort of, with the whole eye, nose, mouth. It's so cool. And then right here, it's kind of like an ape face, almost. I don't know. How weird is this stone? And someone called this leverite. This has definitely been carved. It's that pink and like stripes of quartz that I find so many things around here made of. Wow. Have a good day.